going on, everybody, and welcome back to another live day trading recap video where you're also going to get a little bit of pedestal speeches from me. I have a lot of questions asked to me during my stream today. I'm always recording these trades while live, talking to an audience over on Twitch. They had a lot of good questions today, a lot of good beginner stock trader questions. So kind of while I'm in my trades, while you guys get to see the live trades, see the outcome of the day, learn how the system works and all that kind of stuff, you're also going to get a lot of good tips and tricks and opinions that I have on trading as a whole. So make sure you stick around and watch the video. We also take a lot of trades off camera today. You're going to get the first hour recorded, and then you'll have to stick around to the end to see how the rest of the day goes after that. So stick around for that. Hit like, please. It really does help. Hit the red subscribe button if you're new. I post these recaps for free every day. With that being said, let's get into the live action. Does look like we're going to be entering this. Once again, below the red line, did not get above that green line. We are long here. We are long at 414.06 on SPY. Sell conditions above the green line or this RSI breaking 40. As you all know, we're immediately up 25 bucks, but we're not selling yet. So, oh wow, we're immediately up 50 bucks. Hello. Once again, we're still not selling yet, but nice push. Gotta let the trade play out. You gotta get the right R&R in your trades, right? If you prove a system works, but then you panic and start taking the profits too early, you're not playing the system, right? Systems are very dependent on risk-reward to win percentage. If you start messing with that risk-reward, you're gonna mess with the whole system. What's your position size? 100 shares. You can see it here. 100 shares. SOUN, halt down. Wait, did it really? Did it really? Paul, right after you got short, it halted down? Oh, and the predictors win. We were running a prediction this morning over on Twitch. Is SOUN going to halt down before 10:30? There it is. And Paul, you did get in short. Yo, congrats, man. You got in short like right here. That is sick. That is so sick, Paul. Congrats, man. I love seeing you guys make money. I really do. It's not like some stupid cliche thing. I actually really do love seeing my community make money. Speaking of making money, this is a sell candle. In 30 seconds, this is a sell candle. Let's get a big old rip here, shall we? We're up 60 bucks right now. We're up 60 bucks right now. Now we're up 70. Oh, now we're up 50. Wow, SPY is volatile as heck again today. Kyle! Thank you for the sub here on Twitch. Make sure you sub also, YouTubers. 13 seconds left in this candle. Unfortunately, it's pulling back. We're now only up 10 bucks. Wow, SPY. What is this candle? We're really going to lose money in this trade. What was that candle? I mean, okay. It ripped up. It met the sell condition. It sells the close of the bar. We did what we were supposed to do. It's a little frustrating, potentially, as we were up 70 bucks here at highs. Wow. What a move. SPY is wicked right now, man. 8 seconds. I'm going to have to wait and see, though, unfortunately. I'm going to have to wait and see because I don't know if this is an entrance candle. It is. Okay. Shit. And I did get a little bit of a worse fill because I had to wait for a second. But because that, like, touched that green line, I wasn't sure if my system was going to enter it or not. It did. We're long at 413.51. We were up immediately, but obviously this is a big red candle. A little bit scary to buy into, but system takes it, we take it. Once again, system's proven profitable. What's the point of proving profitability if you're going to be scared and not take the trades? Yeah, this literally touched this sell condition. I wasn't sure if it was going to long. So I had to wait a second. Got a 6-7 cent worse entrance than the algo did there, than the system did. Sell condition all the way up here, or RSI is at 45. So if the RSI, if it comes down, we're not super far away from a stop loss either. RSI under 40 is our stop loss, as you guys know, I think by now. Unless you're new watching the videos, if you're new, hi, how you doing? Make sure you subscribe. Thanks. Stop shilling, Trey. Oh, sorry. Bit of indecision so far in the trade. I mean, we're a little green. We're a little green. If you're short, what's your RSI stop? This bottom this bottom RSI. So this is a 26 length RSI over 60 is my short stop loss. That's why I have two RSIs here. This is RSI 14, which is like the default RSI length. And then this is RSI length 26 over 60. Just once again, via back testing, we found that was the most profitable way to set it up. Okay, new highs of the move since we got in. We're up 40 bucks in this trade. But remember, we were up 60 in the last one and still got dumped on. Anything can happen. Don't celebrate unrealized gains, right? But also don't sell too early. You don't want to start messing with your R&R of your system by selling too early. You ever heard that saying, you can't go broke taking a small profits? I disagree with that. Unless you're also cutting your losers too early or cutting your losers quickly, you can go broke cutting your winners too quickly. Because you're messing with your system's R&R, right? Which over time is going to mess with its profitability. By the way, this is a sell candle. That did break that sell condition. Barely, but it did break it. What were we up there? I think we were up. Oh, wow. We were up over 100 bucks there. I wasn't really paying attention. I was getting preachy again. We were up over 100 bucks there at highs. But, of course, we're getting a topping candle before we sell again. Because why not? Because why not? Ooh. Felt good. But, once again, to preach. I've proven this system is profitable via exiting trades at close. So that's what I do. Okay, small win. I think we made 40 bucks in that trade. Okay, this is a long candle. It's maybe a little scary after this big of a pullback, but it is a long candle. The RSI is still above 40. We are long here at 414.34. Our sell condition is a big pullback. Once again, obviously, SPY was strong for a while. We haven't been in a trade in a while because SPY's just been so strong. What was I just saying? I was just saying to my Twitch chat, don't be careful chasing these moves, right? Bank, here's your big pullback. Chasers just got crushed. And now we get to try to take advantage of a dip, right? We'll see what happens. We're also buying. When we bought, the RSI was at like 43. So really, like any kind of continuation in this pullback, we're pretty much going to get stopped out. So, I mean, it could still be a big red candle. We could still lose large, but you know, we are buying right near our stop loss here too. So, feels good. Feels good. We were up a little, now we're down a little. Oh, now we're down more. Okay. Oh, this is... Okay, the RSI got to the 40s there. I was watching, because if it closes, obviously RSI closes under 40 on this bar, we're out. But it's not going to. Okay, we're still in. We're still in. We're down a little bit. I love how you jinx it every time. Yep. As soon as I say I'm green, I go red. Yep. That's why. I actually control the S&P with my voice. Yeah. Do you do deadlifts? I don't. I do Romanian deadlifts. I don't do full deadlifts, though. I do dumbbell RDLs. And I put a plate under my heels as well, so it works. I believe that works your quads more. It works something more in your legs. I do that. Oh, true. I need to focus. I forgot about focusing. Hold on. That's why I'm not making money. Hold on. Okay. I feel really focused now. Hold on. Watch it rip to 416. Dow breaking pivot if it closes below. That's not good for the bulls. Yeah, I mean, stock come down, not good for long position bulls. We'll see. I like where I bought here. We just had this rant, but what did I just rant about, chat? Put yourselves in the right situation to make money. I think longing dips like this is the right situation to make money over time. It does not mean I'm going to win every trade. Oh my God, Trey bought a dip. Oh my God, has to go green now. But it's continuously not chasing, waiting for dips, and longing dips. Sometimes it's going to keep dipping and I'm going to lose money. But if I continue to do this as proven, right? As proven, once again, please journal. Journaling is very important. But as journaled, you know, we've been making money over time trading like this. This is all my trades, not just my algo trades, but just from this, we've been making money over time, right? Oh, speaking of making money, we're now going to lose money. Who said I jinxed it? You guys remember when I said I can control the markets with my mouth? There you go. RSI obviously below 40 here. If it closes under 40 in 30 seconds, we are out of this bar. But yeah, put yourself in the right situation. Buy the dip. If it keeps dipping, sometimes you're going to get stopped down and lose money. But you bought the dip. You can never be angry at yourself for buying the dip, right? If you're finding yourself struggling trading, I always say, and once again, not advice, do what you want, but just start exclusively buying red candles and start exclusively selling green candles. And just see if that helps you. Right? We did not get stopped out of that, by the way, obviously, but it did give us a bottoming tail and it did close above the 40 RSI. Did not get stopped out of that candle. Our sell condition is still way up here at 416, but it's going to start coming down here in the next couple of minutes. Can we get a push? It has tried to push 3 times since we've entered. Obviously, it's failed every time. Can we get a push this time? Oh gosh, I forgot. I'm not supposed to say. Oh no. I said it's starting to push again. It's going to come down now. I forgot I control the market. Focus harder, chat. Everybody focus. Everybody give me your finest 5-head emote. I need all your focusing power. We can all make SPY go up together, chat. Yes, focus. Yes. Yes. Focus. Stocks only go up. Yep, there you go. Stocks only go up. Up 25 bucks now. Obviously nowhere near selling yet, so nothing to get excited about yet. In a couple of minutes, so the next minute bar, we're still up here. In 2-minute bars, our sell condition comes all the way down here. We're now up 60 bucks in this trade. But once again, we're still nowhere near selling, so it's not time to celebrate yet. Nice push, though. What have I been preaching about? I've been up on my freaking high horse getting preachy again, but what have I been preaching about? Don't chase and put yourself in the right situation by buying dips. Now, we're still not confirmed to make money in this trade because it's not at our sell condition yet, but we're up 100 bucks because we bought the dip, right? Once again, this could still dump in our face. We've seen SPY. SPY's been ridiculously volatile lately. It could do that, but but still, you could see how buying the dip, stocks move in waves, right? Stocks move in waves, and especially S&P. We've proven with this system, probably the next wave after a dip like this is going to be some kind of up. This one was risky, but so nice. Not according to my strategy. It's not. This was actually one of the least risky trades I've taken because my stop loss was right here, right? When I longed, by the way, here comes that dump. I forgot I can move the markets with my mouth. But when we longed, we were at 42 on the RSI. We were very close to our stop loss when we longed to this. Wasn't that risky for me. What do you think about Heiken Ashy candles? Don't use them for backtesting. A lot of people use them for backtesting, and it's cheating. Because Heiken Ash, I don't know if I'm saying it right. By the way, we are now red in this trade. Maybe I can move the markets with my mouth, chat. I literally joked this can still dump on us. We were up 100 bucks. Now we're down 16. And there we go. Anyway, Heiken Ash, I don't know if I'm saying that right. They use a formula to calculate the bar, so it's not showing real price. So do not use them to backtest. I've come across a handful of people that do use them to backtest, and that's cheating. Because the backtest isn't actually entering the price. It's entering a calculated price, which is you can't do that, right? You're not going to be able to get the same kind of fills that your backtest is. But what do I think of them in general? I don't know. I've never used them. This is a sell candle. Do not distract the trader. Yeah, that's what happened. Sorry. Yeah. I started answering chat questions. They said, don't distract me, Vega. Thanks for the 70 cents. I lost my focus. That's why Spy dumped there for a second. Sorry. Let me get refocused back in for this next 40 seconds. I can make Spy fly. Come on. 4:15.5. I'm seeing 4:15.5. For some reason, it's really resonating in my head. Focus. Chat. There's only 25 seconds left in this trade. Oh. Green. Small green in this trade again. It's another trade where we were way up. And we're actually going to make decent money in this trade. We made 40 bucks in that trade. So we did decent here, but we were up 100. We were up 60. We were up 100 in this trade. And we ended up, making a little bit. But yeah, we've been up a lot today. But once again, statistically proven, waiting until the candle closes makes more money, right? Hold on, I'll pull it up real quick. Look, my average trade gain or loss is 207. The strategy's average gain loss is 425. The strategy makes more money than I do. And the only thing I do different from the strategy is that I sell half. I also get some mistimings on orders, but I like to think that evens out over time. I think the mistiming of orders, sometimes I get a worse fill, sometimes I get a better fill, and maybe that's messing with it slightly, but I promise you that's not taking it down 50%, right? The selling half thing is what's taking it down 50%. That's why I don't do it anymore. That's the beauty of journaling and backtesting. I have statistically proven data that I shouldn't be selling half. You can't fight against the statistics, right? It's another thing though. That's another thing I do. I do try to get on my soapbox about from time to time. As people with more money make more money, right? Yes, I'm up. Yes, I'm up. By the way, we're in a long. I didn't even really say anything when I entered because I'm still preaching. I'm being very preachy this morning, sorry. But I think this is good stuff to talk about. Yes, I'm up $1,100 in, the last 2 months. I know that's not, oh my God, not a lot of money trade, but I'm also trading, a $25,000 account. I was trading a $25,000 account. You've got to take, when you're creating a system, you've got to take this max drawdown into account. If you start swinging to make 10% of your account, say, that's great, that's fine. But also, if you're doing that, you're going to incur 30-40% max drawdowns. Because it's going to happen. Every system, it's going to happen. You're going to go through a period of pain. It's going to happen. And if you're swinging large, your max drawdown is going to be larger. So are you okay incurring that? Maybe you are. I'm trading the size I'm trading because I don't want my max drawdown to be able to take me under PDT, right? Takes money to make money? Yep. Yeah. Somebody asked me on my YouTube the other day, how come this guy makes more money than you? Well, I looked, and that guy has a multi-million-dollar account. It's like, I would hope that guy's making more money than me. He should be making more money than me, yes. I have a $27,000 account. I'm slightly under now. This is a sell candle, by the way. Wait, I'm down $22? What? I thought this was break even. Gosh, SPY is so volatile that it looks like it's not even moving barely on the charts. I looked at my P&L, I'm down 25 bucks. What the heck? Not realize I was down that much. Okay. I mean, we ended up losing 10 bucks in that trade, but okay. I was like, okay, it's a break even trade. I looked, 20 bucks. What the hell? Dozer, thank you for the follow. How does one start day trading? Watch the markets. Watch the markets, watch other traders stream, start to notice patterns yourself, then open a brokerage and start paper trading. Prove a system with your paper trading, statistically prove a system. And then after all that, start trading. I wouldn't recommend trading if you are just now discovered what a stock chart is. It'll probably take you 6 months to get into real money trading. It should take you around that long to get into real money trading. Don't rush into it because you'll just lose your money. I mean, you will. It's just kind of how it works. This isn't easy, right? People that are very good at it make it look easy, kind of like anything else. Kind of like you probably can't jump as high as Ronaldo or throw a ball as far as Aaron Rodgers, even though it looks easy on TV. You probably aren't just going to start trading and making money. Alrighty, so that wraps up the live trades from the first hour of the day. We ended that session up $30, a little bit of an up and down session. Kind of all of our exit candles kind of ran back against us a little bit before it gave us a chance to get out, which is perfectly fine. That's going to happen sometimes. But let's go ahead now. Actually, if I just click this, yep, let's go ahead now and load up where we are at the end of the trading day today. We are up over $100. We are up 109.58. Obviously took a handful of trades. We've taken every trade the system has taken so far today. It didn't do so well during this move and this move. I know we lost a little bit of money here and lost a little bit of money here, but look at what a lot of the trades were today. We're during some volatile sideways chop, right? Here we made some money, and here we did really well as well. We cleaned up kind of during this portion. Nice long and sell, nice long sell, nice long sell. Cleaned up kind of during this volatile chop where this system really excels, and that's the way SPY usually trades, right? There's an infinite number of possibilities for SPY, but when you create a system, you have to create a system around what usually happens. That's how you're going to make money, right? So we do end the day up over $100. Now, I want to look at this. The algo is actually only up $61. We're doing $45 better than the algorithm. That's because of this first hour, right? We did create a new system that only trades the first hour, and that's, obviously made money this morning, while the algo afternoon, as I'm calling it now, lost money this morning. That's why we're outperforming the algorithm. And we talked about this a little bit in our video, but if I quickly jump already into the detailed, I made that new morning system, that new first hour system, because through my logging, I saw that the other system was really struggling in the first hour of the day. This is why you log. This is why it's so important to log. I know it's only one day. Doesn't mean really anything when you look at it from a one-day scale, but let's see how this number can potentially start to perform in the future now that we know and we have created this new system around that. So let's go ahead and flip over to the overview. 60 days, nice little perk back up after the last 2 days. Did not go so hot for us, but as you can see, system still trending in the right direction. System still obviously profitable. Don't panic after a couple of red days. Oh my gosh, we know, oh, we're losing money. We got to panic. We got to switch our whole program. I got to start changing things. No. I know it's profitable. I know drawdowns are going to happen. I'm comfortable. This system has a maximum drawdown of $1,000. It has happened in the back test. This drawdown so far was almost $400, just shy of $400. Stuck to the system, keep trading it. Little perk up today. We'll see where we go from here. But obviously, still trending in the right direction. Nothing wrong with that. Go to the detailed quickly. Just so you guys see this, just so you don't, I always want to be showing you these statistics. I think it's important to show. So yeah, that is going to be the day today. I guess we can click on the journal quickly to see. Yeah, look, up in that first trade, then we came back down as where we were losing money when the SPY was ripping like this. This is where we lost money. I think that was right at 10:45. Yep, that was during this kind of straight down, straight up rip where obviously, as you guys have been watching the videos, the algo does not like, but then during that chop that I talked about, look at how we kind of start crushing towards the end there. So that is really, really nice. But yeah, that's going to be the video today. Hopefully you all enjoyed it. Let me get back to the reports page to end off. Up $109.58 today, up just shy $1,300 since we started trading the system. And obviously the trend looks very, very nice, right? I say this all the time, but these numbers are easily manipulatable. All you gotta do is expose yourself more. Just currently, I'm exposing myself to the right amount that I want to risk so that once again, that $1,000 max loss that I know could happen any given time will not take us back under PDT. That's bankroll management as well. As we continue to grow the account, continue to expose ourselves more to the markets, these numbers on the left will get larger. For now, what's important is the trend of the chart. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Hopefully you continue to enjoy these videos uploaded daily. If you do, please hit the like button. It really does help. We just passed 1,200 subscribers, which is awesome. Thank you all very, very much. We're very close to becoming a YouTube partner on this channel, which is really cool. So thank you all for all the support. And if you would like to join the crew, go ahead and hit the red subscribe button down below. With that being said, I'm going to go ahead and sign out of this video. I will catch you all in the next one.